Welcome everybody to another Beer of the Week, hosted by yours truly, Andy. We have a very fun beer to sample today. This is from one of the principal craft breweries, the big time breweries of Toronto, Bellwoods Brewery. So this is a fun IPA. It's got an interesting name, the Monogamy. It's got some fun little owls on the label. Seem to be in a monogamous relationship, which is fun. Bellwoods really does have a strong presence throughout the city. They're kind of coined as being one of the original craft breweries located very close to a very, very popular park in Toronto, Trinity Bellwoods, named after the park, Bellwoods Brewery. Trinity Bellwoods is maybe the most significant park in the city. Not really legal to drink beer in public parks, but Trinity Bellwoods has an interesting presence. Maybe their most popular beer is the Jelly King. It is their sour beer that you can find kind of all over southern Ontario. It has massive distribution. So we're coming at you with a different style of beer today from Bellwoods. This is the Monogamy, an IPA, not a sour. A lot of citrus notes to it. Should be kind of fun. Let's crack her open and give her a go. Oh, spilled a little bit, but hey, no one's complaining. Oh yeah. It's got that nice cloudy, beautiful color that we like to see in a gorgeous hazy IPA. It's nice. It's actually a lighter color, super hazy, but sort of that beautiful light lemonade, orange juice sort of color. Yeah, oh, hello. Smell those hops all the way to Timbuktu, am I right? Get a lot of those fruity stone fruits that are synonymous with your typical East Coast IPA. So let's give her a taste. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's wonderful. Again, it is very hoppy, but interesting, those citra hops, they don't really dwell on your tongue too much. They sort of flutter off and kind of make their departure a little bit earlier, which is a little bit different from an IPA. So again, beautiful ale for you. Bellwoods, if you're in Toronto and haven't heard of it, hey, well, you probably haven't been on the internet, because Bellwoods, it really is synonymous with the craft beer culture. Definitely gotta check it out if you're new to the city. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for next week where we sample another one of the craft breweries, maybe in Toronto, maybe elsewhere. Thanks so much, and remember, craft beer is here.